So you guys know what my favorite thing of all time is, right? Clothes that fit, which is why I am so excited to be doing eShakti, I think is how you pronounce it. I watched a few other videos and that seems to be how they pronounce it. So eShakti review. I had seen this advertised online 1,000 times and had never tried it. Basically, eShakti is for, they have mostly dresses, but they do have other clothing types, shirts, jumpsuits, jeans, things like that. And the selling point to this service is that it's customized. There's a couple different ways you can customize. You can customize your size. You can also customize on many of these, like the dresses and things like that, you can customize neckline, sleeve length, and skirt length, pant length, something like that. So you can do those customizations. It costs you just $10 extra per garment to do those customizations, whether it be the style or the sizes or both. And they frequently have promotions. I actually have a referral code below that you could use when you check out, and it'll get you 35% off of your first order plus free customization. They also, beyond your first order, they do have a lot of sales, and so you can get on their email list so that they send you when they have 30-40% off, or go to their website and you can see what they have there. So I am super excited because if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you see a lot of clothing that is too big. I have tried out short story, which is the petite service, and I've got another petite service coming up. Very, very excited about that. So, but it's just been a struggle for me to find things that fit, and I get the small size and it's still too big on me, and I have tiny, tiny little shoulders, and so things kind of just hang weird. So on all that, so I bought 3 pieces, and every single one I did the size customization. I think on most of them I did a little bit of style customization, maybe change the neckline or skirt length or something like that. But most of the time I was pretty happy with the style they had already. So really, to me, I was more interested in customizing size than customizing style. So I don't remember what I bought. This comes from somewhere overseas. I don't remember exactly where. So it does take a couple of weeks once you order it for them to essentially make it and ship it to you, but it was not bad at all. And since it takes a couple weeks, you kind of forget what you bought. So I'm excited. I think I bought a jumpsuit, which is super cool, and I don't remember what else. Okay, so when it came in a plastic wrap. I did take the plastic wrap off. I cut the box, but then it had this pretty tissue paper, and so I didn't dig into it. But I was dying to dig into this last night when I got home from work, and I was like, no, Jen, you gotta film it. So let's get into this. Okay, first off, I have this. Oh, did I mention pretty much everything comes with pockets? Now, you have the option to remove pockets, but it all comes with pockets, so that's awesome. All right, so I have this, and you can see the size on the skirt. Now, if you want to sell this resale, this actually might be a down point because the size, it just says custom, which is true. One thing I want to mention, you put in all your 30 different measurements. My husband and I spent 15 minutes just doing all the different measurements. So I love that they ask you for a lot of measurements, but you can't just shop on there like you would anywhere else if you like their styles, and you don't actually have to put in their measurements. You can just do regular, I'm an extra small, I'm a small, whatever. But yeah, I mean, to me the selling point was to customize my size. So that's what I did. All right, so this beautiful polka dot pencil skirt. It is just black and white. Obviously it has pockets. Like I said, everything comes with pockets. And it's got this button detail. There's, I think, 4 buttons here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but hopefully that comes through. And then even this like waistband open thing. I don't even know what this is, but it's cute. Super, super cute. Can't wait to try it on. Feels like good quality. I wonder if these have, I'm assuming these will have oh, it does have lining in it, so that's always a great sign to me when things have lining in it. It's made in India, 100% polyester. So I do like some polyester because it just doesn't really wrinkle and it washes well and things like that. So happy with this. All right, next piece is a crepe, which I do like crepe, sleeveless dress with this little extra fabric detail. It's almost like it's a bow, but it's not. And it's got a belted waist and a kind of a sheath style, I think, which I do like a sheath style. And I just thought it was a really great fall holiday color. I could throw on a nice black jacket over that, something like that. So originally when I wanted to do this, I wanted to do like one of every type of thing that they have, which I have 3 different types: a skirt, this dress, and a jumpsuit. They also had a shirt, jeans. Oh, they had a beautiful leopard print coat, and it was just, since this is a new service and it comes from overseas, I just didn't want to spend a lot of money in case what I got was crap. So now the fabric material on here is, again, polyester. So very, very pretty though. I like that. And then last but not least, okay, ever since I went to that Macy's fashion show and they had a beautiful emerald green jumpsuit, I have been on the mission to find one, and Macy's hasn't had it in my size since then. So I turned to eShakti. So sleeveless jumpsuit. It is a wide leg jumpsuit and it's meant to be worn with heels. So when I specified length, I chose the length where you'd want to wear heels with them. Zip up in the back, and of course pockets on it. This is definitely, it's not as nice of a material as I expected. This is just more of like a cottony knit material. And it's got this like little belt detail here. And let's look at the tag to see, it just says cotton/spandex. No percentages. Those are my 3 pieces. And I am very excited for this next part because this stuff should fit like a glove. Now the only doubt, if things don't fit, it might be not being super confident that we're taking the measurements right, or sometimes you're kind of between a number. You know, I'm like 26 and a half in something, and so it's like, do you go to 26 or 27? So hopefully it'll fit. If it doesn't, I might actually go to a tailor to get professionally measured and try it again, but hopefully everything will fit amazingly. Let's get to it. So first up, we have this skirt, and I love it. Absolutely love it. I love the button detail. It has just one pocket because it's got the zipper over here, but it's actually a really deep pocket, so I can slip a phone in there. That's all I ever really want a pocket for. Maybe a Kleenex, a phone, something like that. The tightness is right here at the waist, and then this is just kind of like extra design, if you will. But I think that's really, really cute. And from a fit perspective, it fits great. Really think it fits great. It's slightly snug here at the waistband, but I'm also pretty bloated this morning, so we'll blame it on that. Feels great quality. Really, really happy with this. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so good first start. Let's get the dress on next. Okay, guys, we are a 2 for 2. Oh, twinsies. Very similar colors. Probably shouldn't have done that, but that's okay. This one's a little bit darker, so it's different, right? So this is another knockout when it comes to fit. Everything fits perfectly up here. And then even around the bum where things are frequently too tight in this type of shape, it's got just the perfect amount of snugness, in my opinion. There's a 360 for you. It's got, I like the design. It's got basically these flaps. I'm gonna come up close. These flaps here. So I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to arrange said flaps with the belt, but they're here. I like the belt. And of course the pockets. So, absolutely in love with it. 2 for 2. Really happy with this. Let's get the jumpsuit on because I feel like that's the #1 piece that I'm just not going to be able to buy directly out of the store because it's always going to be too long or not fit here. Jumpsuits are very complicated, and let's get that on now. Okay, hopefully you guys can see all of me here. So again, jumpsuit fits like a glove up here. No extra room. Very snug, wonderful. Waist nice and snug. Feels perfect. Pockets, awesome. Length of pants. I've got the heels on, which is what the pant length I set it to was. My only problem is I wish this was a different type material than the cotton, but that was just me not reading the website because they do have materials listed there, I believe. So there it is. There's my 360. 3 for 3, guys. All right, let's do a very quick recap. Okay, so let's do a super quick recap. So, prices. I haven't given you guys prices, and essentially, they did send me an invoice on the outside of the box, and I think I failed to keep that. So I went back to the receipt on my phone, and it gave me original prices, and I know I ended up with a 25% off discount and a buy 2 get 1 free discount and free customization, all using discount codes. So again, to get 35% off your first box and free customization, refer a link below. So originally, so we'll go through each piece and do the costs super quick. So jumpsuit, this is originally $59.95 with the 25% off and kind of splitting up the cost of the buy 2 get 1 free. This came out to being around $31. So great deal. I ended up wearing this, so I filmed in the morning my unboxing of this. I ended up wearing this to work with a blazer and a statement necklace, and everybody loved it. I got a lot of great compliments. Should have taken a picture and posted it on Instagram. I didn't, so I will do that next time. So great price. And then the dress is originally $79.95, so a bit more expensive, but with the discounts comes out to like $41.50. So that's not bad at all. And then the pencil skirt originally $41.95 with discounts comes out to about $21.75. So now there is obviously tax and shipping, so this shipping was around $17. This does ship from overseas, so the shipping can be a little bit more expensive. So my total bill for all 3 was $118, but that just gives you kind of a view of how much this stuff costs. You guys kind of get a ballpoint figure. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. I am definitely going to try this again. I wish I had known about this size or it existed when I got married a few years ago, because I would have done bridesmaids dresses, because, I mean, how much money do you save? So, hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, reminder to subscribe below. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.